watcher and subscribers. Now here we will see pie chart in Python. And here in the data visualization, pie chart is one of the important chart. And by using pie chart, you can easily do the comparison between various parts. So here we will take a short review about the pie chart. And then by using Python programming, we will see how you can do data comparison using pie chart. So pie chart means a diagram consisting of a circle divided into parts to show the size of particular part in relation to the whole. For example, this is a pie chart and here you can compare each part and you can observe this blue part is having more share than other parts. It is taking the more space and this red part is taking a less share. So when we compare pie chart, you have to compare individual part into the total part. That is the logic of understanding pie chart. We will take example. Suppose the student, they got the grades like A, B, C, D. So you can compare here. They got whether grade A more, B more. Means we can compare this by using data visualization by taking the help of pie chart. So first upon you have to compare this value to the total value. So here the total is coming 28. So you can compare this 4 with the 28. So your formula will be like that. You have to divide that individual value to the total value and then you have to multiply with 100 so that you are getting a percentage. And then finally after getting percentage you can use one more formula. Means given data means this percentage value like 14.3 means this 14.3 means it is a percentage of A. So here we have written 14.3 percent means total A grade got by 14.3 percentage student. So this is what the given data and the total value means here 100 because total percentage is 100 into 360. So by using this formula, you will be in position to calculate the degree. It can be 60 degree, 80 degree, whatever it is. Then by using a compass, by using a protector, you can draw this pie chart. Means you can complete one angle and then you will get the pie chart. So in this way, you can create a pie chart. And the main benefit of pie chart that I already told you, you can compare individual part and you can compare with this total part. So these are the two formula. You can, by using this, you can calculate percentage, and by using second formula, you can calculate the value in degree so that you can create a pie chart. So now here we will see more options in pie chart. These are the options like label, start angle, explode, shadow and color. So we will see how we can get this practically. So now we will go in a practical session. So now here we are in the Python ideally and we have already added here module. So here first upon we need a array. So we will write n.array here. And I am creating this array for the 4 parts, means the 4 values. So I am specifying here values. So these are my values in the array. And now our next process is I am going to show you the pie chart. So you have to write here p.pie. And you have to pass this array x and p.show you have to write. So finally we are in the pie chart process and we have added this 4 value. So one value will be compared with the whole value. So on the basis of that we will get the pie chart visualization. So we will check the output. So you can observe this is our pie chart. And we got total 4 part 1 2 3 4 because we have the 4 value, and this bigger part, that is here red part, is the bigger, taking the more space than other. So it is definitely for the value 77. Got it? And the 14 value is for that blue color. Next value will be for 55, this value will be for 34, and this value will be for 77. So in this way it is going on. And now we will add more options to the pie chart. So first I want to specify the label, because first one is label, and we will take one variable here, L equals to, I am taking here the list of values. So I am using the concept of list, and for this 4 value I want the 4 names. So I want to write here name. So here I have given total 4 name A, B, C and D. You can give any name, meaningful name, according to the relationship of the data. So these labels I have added. So finally here I have to write labels equals to L. Now we will check the output. You see we got the names there so that we can easily understand it. Now we minimize. So this 14 value is for A. So you see A is representing 14 value. So in this way you can easily understand the chart. Now the next option is the start angle. So start angle means you can observe this figure. It is divided. Your pie chart always divide into the 4 part. And by angle wise you can draw. So here this value is for line. This point represent 0 degree. This is 90. This is 180. This is 270 and going back to 360. So what happen? You can start the angle from that 0 or 90 degree or from 180 or 270. So here we will write the code for that. So we will specify one parameter, that is start angle equals to 90. You can specify any value. Now we will check output. So start angle means it is starting from this point, because the first value is 14. So you see it is starting from here. And suppose here I am using 180, then our output will be change. Means the starting point will be change. So you see 14 is starting from that 180 degree. So in this way we can start the pie chart according to the start angle parameter. And after that we will use explode. So explode is quite interesting. So I am taking E equals to list of values for all the 4 parts. So in the explode, first one is 0.2. All the values I am keeping with 0.2. So here all are having same value. You can take the any value here, but it is better if you keep the value from 0 to 1 for better visualization. Now we will run this for your understanding, but before that you have to add this parameter like explode equals to E, and now we will run this. So now here you can observe here, because of that value it is separated, that all the 4 part they are just separated. So in this way you can use that, and it is the optional one. And now here I would like to add more option here like shadow. So shadow parameter you can directly add, like here shadow equal to, so shadow value it is true, and by using this true value you will get the shadow in the figure. You can observe in the output. So you can observe little bit shadow is coming. And now we will introduce the last parameter, color. So it is quite interesting. So I am taking variable C, and we will add total 4 color for each part. First part I will specify with the red color. Next part I will specify with pink color. and next one I will specify with the green color. Next part I will specify with the red color. You can specify any color, and these are the custom color. So we have to add this parameter. So here I have to write colors equals to C because that list name is C. So it will add all the 4 colors in the program. Now we will check output. So you can observe here custom colors are added, but these two are looking same. So we will do the changes there. So here these two colors are repeated by mistake. So we will add different color there. Blue color. And now we will check the output. You can observe it is looking now in a professional way. So in this way, this chart is very useful for you, pie chart, if you are going to compare one part with the other remaining part. So whatever the values you are writing here, you are getting a pie chart, and you can use this pie chart for the presentation if you are comparing any set of values. So I hope, dear student, you understood the pie chart, and here I introduced the maximum parts and you understood this. So you have to practice this. So thanks for watching this tutorial. Thank you.